Hello everyone and welcome back to Anna and Danny. I'm going to open up this thing and then I have a surprise for the second half of this video. So basically I got this from the Webster Square dentist, and it's basically some kind of pack for sleepover people. Let's go. Alright, so basically this is what's inside. Some toothpaste, enough for like 3 sleepovers or around 10 sleepovers or 8 sleepovers. Same amount for this one. It's basically some kind of floss. And then this is the toothbrush itself. Let's open them up. Oh yeah, and this is tongue cleaner, floss, cushion head, power tip, handle stabilizer, and yeah, that's this one. If I can, it seems like I can't. Oh, I think you're supposed to. Alright, there we go. And then this is the toothbrush itself. It's actually really nice, soft, and really nice. It looks really nice. I might replace my current toothbrush with this. And then here's the little this is the little floss. Then yeah, it's basically a normal floss. That's what you expect. So yeah, it's basically normal, and then here's the little thing. It's currently sealed, so I'm going to open it to let you guys have a look. I won't use this at all, though, since why would I? I don't have any reason to. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Oh, weird. Not going to use it. Open this. for no reason. Well, that's it, and I'm going for the first part. The second part is reading a old story that I made. Alright, so this is called About Chickens, and I made it in 2015 or 2016, I don't know. But I basically made this in 3rd grade when I was 8. Alright, it says About Chickens by Micah. Now that's basically my real name, but please just call me Denny. Okay? And no, I'm not going to reveal my last name. And then as you can see, there's a picture of a man, of a guy that has a red shirt, that has a can or corn back, and there's some corn, and then there's a chicken. And it wasn't really detailed. Alright, I put my name on each page for some reason. And the stapler blocked it. How convenient. And it says About Chickens, Table of Contents. I have really messy handwriting, by the way. That's why I don't really like to show you my writing. I prefer to use I prefer to type. And then it chapter 1 life, and it's on page 3. Chapter 2 farming, and it's on page 4. Chapter 3 as a pet, page 5, and glossary, page 6. This is basically page 1, and then this is page 2. Because I have noticed that the first page is page. This is page 2, and the cover counts as a page. I noticed that in books. Alright, this is page 3, and it says About Chickens, Life. And then it says chapter 1. And the wild chickens find seeds, water, mice, snakes, and lizards. Sometimes chickens will bite you. Chickens live up to 10 years. Huh. Well, I had to research it. And, well, why I knew about this, I had to research it before I write it. So, which means it's really accurate. I used the information from Wikipedia. I knew about Wikipedia. And then it says wild means in the forest. For some reason it's in a lighter writing. There's a very light picture. There's a light pictures of a chicken, and it says that's a brown chicken. That looks more oranges than brown. And then this is About Chicken. And then it says farming. So it says farms have a bag of corn and a house for chickens to lay eggs. They also have water and a thing for chickens to soak water from it. The thing that chickens soak water from. I didn't know what that was. But it's also used for rodents such as bunnies, guinea pigs, hamsters, and mouse, and others. And then that's a little house for laying eggs, which is called a hen. I think it's called a hen or a pen. I don't know where from. Alright, then this is as a pet. And then it says you have to tame a chicken to keep it as a pet. Some people keep pet chickens outside to stay away from babies. To tame it, you have to feed it foods that it likes. Put your hand out if you have food in your hand, then he'll eat it. And then it says, tame means it is belong to you. Sorry. I probably meant to say it belongs to you. And then there's corns in a hand. Can't draw a hand very good. And then this is the glossary. It says about chickens glossary. Tame means it is belong to you. Wild means the land is belong to animals. I might have, if I wrote it now, I might have said the land belongs to animals. To the animals. And that's it. I know it's very short, but I was in 3rd grade when I made that, so it was so. Yeah. I hope you have a great day. And bye.
Want quesadilla?